Need to refresh your code libraries to fix the MSVCP 140 CLR 400 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through these professional steps. Quickly resolve MSVCP 140 CLR 400 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the MSVCP 140 CLR 400, a specialized Visual C++ runtime for the .NET CLR. It provides the unmanaged orchestration between managed .NET code and unmanaged hardware manifests, facilitating the data link. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The best approach here is a reinstall of Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ Redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to restore the file. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including MSVCP 140 CLR 400. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of MSVCP 140 CLR 400 DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping MSVCP 140 CLR 400 synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved MSVCP 140 CLR 400 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.